In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete redundant messages in Outlook 5 minutes. If your inbox is packed with long email threads where every new reply repeats everything that came before it, Outlook has a built-in tool that can clean that up in seconds. It's called Cleanup, and it removes earlier, fully duplicated messages in a conversation while keeping the most complete, most recent ones. Nothing is permanently erased here. Cleaned messages are moved to deleted items so you can review or restore them if needed. Start by opening the Outlook app and signing in if prompted. Once Outlook loads, head straight to your inbox so we're working in the right place. The cleanup tool operates on the folder you're viewing, so being in your inbox ensures you'll tidy the messages you actually see every day. If the command seems unavailable, double check that you're in a mail folder like inbox rather than a search results view. Next, look at the top ribbon and make sure you're on the Home tab. That's where Outlook keeps the cleanup commands alongside common actions like new email and archive. Staying on Home makes the next step quick and obvious. Now find and click the cleanup button. Outlook may show it as cleanup with a small drop down. This feature scans conversation threads and identifies messages that are completely contained in later replies, meaning the full text of the earlier email appears in a newer one. Only those fully redundant messages are targeted. Messages that add unique content, changes, or attachments that aren't included later won't be removed. From the cleanup menu, choose Cleanup Folder. This runs the cleanup across your entire inbox, trimming redundant emails from all conversations in that folder in one pass. If you have a lot of long threads, this step can reclaim significant space and reduce noise without losing context. A confirmation prompt will appear so you know exactly what's about to happen. Select Cleanup Folder to confirm. Outlook will process the folder and any redundant messages it finds will move to deleted items. That gives you a safety net. If you notice something you want to keep, you can restore it from there. If you change your mind immediately, Outlook's standard undo is also available right after the action. When it's done, you should see leaner threads that are easier to read and manage. Remember, cleanup focuses on duplication, not age, so it's a smart, conversation-aware way to clear clutter while preserving the latest, most complete message in each thread.